Hi, in this video we will know how to set up shift rules. In this video you will know how to set up rules for the shift. So let's see what will be the procedure.
So next click on this. In this you can make a shift rules for the employees for their shift. For example, if check-in after 240 minutes, that should be in the minutes. If employee will check in after 240 minutes, that breakup will be calculated as half day. For example, if you want to add short leave, so if employee will check in after 120 minutes, so that will be counted as short leave. So you can add according to you and just save it. So it will be saved in this like this. So it will be calculated same way. So according to that, it will be calculated in the payroll of the employees. And the next is this. So you can delete this shift also by this clicking on this.